Well, it's a new year, and that also means new price increases with Boxycharm. So starting this month, this box is now up another $2 a month to get it. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it today. So we're going to be going through my Boxycharm for January 2025. Now, like I said at the outset, this box has went up in prices just recently. This now costs me $37 a month with fees and taxes and everything included. It's about $37 a month to receive. Now, I thought it might be interesting to do a little comparison in today's video. And if you guys like it, we might do this all year long. So definitely comment down below and let me know what you think of this. But we're gonna try something today where I'm gonna do my unboxing, but we're also gonna compare this box from January versus the box from a year ago that I received from Boxycharm. I mean, technically they keep telling us that the price increases are gonna go towards better brands and better products. And I'm like, well, why not? Let's just see. Let's put it to the test and find out if that's actually true or not. So get ready, because this is our very first versus battle of the Boxycharm boxes from 2024 versus 2025. Well, that was really dramatic and it didn't need to be, but... So we're gonna go ahead and start by looking at what I received a year ago. I think that way it'll be a little bit easier to compare. So I'm just logging into my account and you guys are gonna see this is the 2024 year, and I'm just gonna go down to January and it's gonna pull it up for me and show me what we received in that January box. So inside of this box, we received the Ren skincare item. This was the vitamin C gel cream. I think that's pretty good, actually. Love that. Looks like we have a mascara in here from Rodile as well. A perfume. Of course, I chose the perfume. This one is from Pinrose. We also got the Farah primer. So seems okay. And then we also have the Sweet Chef celery booster shot. So this was a skincare product that we had here. The other items are add-on products, so I'm not going to include that in our review today. However, I am going to show you the Beauty Boost because I did get that today as well. So a year ago in my Beauty Boost, this is what I received, and it was a little bundle with 3 products inside of it. So looking back, honestly, at first glance, I think it's okay. I'm like, I mean, honestly, I feel like this box could be set up really well to overtake that, because that's not like a box that's blowing me out of the water. So who knows what's going to happen today, but I feel like this could be better. There's a lot of potential. So inside of my box, this is what it looks like. Oh, there are palettes. Well, I mean, right there, if I've got palettes, like... why is it? I don't know why it is, you guys. Even in my brain, I automatically think palettes are like a huge win. There's something about palettes that are so beautiful and addictive, you guys. Like, I can't explain it, but I'm like, I would rather a palette over a mascara. So yes, we do have a palette in our box today. This is from Wander Beauty, and it says In Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. It actually says that this is a limited edition palette. So it's got a wide range of shimmers and mattes in here for a stunning look, but apparently this was a very small run of palettes that they created. So that's kind of unique. I like that we've got something that's a little bit more special. I wonder if they made it just for this box. I don't know, but maybe. So this is what it looks like here outside of the box. It is a cruelty-free brand. And then inside we do have a mirror, and then we've got our neutral shades down below. Actually, I do think it's a very pretty neutral palette. If you really like neutrals, you're probably going to love this. What I like about it is you do have some different shimmers in here, but you've got some different tones to really give it some depth with your eyeshadow looks. Sometimes when it's all like one shade of brown, it can go flat very quickly, but I like that you can add some depth, you can soften it up, you can add a touch of brightness to it as well. So there is enough in here to work with and to really create a beautiful look. So would I take this over some of the products last year? Absolutely. Maybe not all of them, but I would take this over the mascara, and I would take it over that serum shot like that we got from Sweet Chef as well. So I think we're headed in the right direction. The next item that we have in here, and it's a serum. So actually, this is a good comparison. So this is from the new company, and it is a skin filter serum. This is an all-in-one product that will brighten and even your skin's texture and tone. So this one is made with sustainable ingredients. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It is plastic neutral as well. I mean, they do a lot to be eco-conscious, and they reduce their carbon footprint. But the idea is that it's going to brighten your skin, hydrate it, balance it out, and it's also going to improve elasticity. So full-size product, it is a glass jar, and you can recycle all of this. They've even made the cap out of recycled materials. So I gotta say, I love everything that the new company stands for. I like that they're recycling. I think it's great that we can also recycle this then, so this is definitely a win. Also, this brand is not cheap. I mean, it's really expensive. So again, I feel like this is an improvement over last year. The next item that we have in here, and it's a primer. So again, what an easy comparison. So a year ago, I received the Farrah Cosmetics facial primer. This year, we have a primer from Seraphine Botanicals. So this one is made with alfalfa, and it says it's a long wear hyper glow primer. So it will have a little bit of a shimmer to it to give you kind of that brightening glow underneath of your foundation. But this one says it's also not going to dry your skin out, and it is going to help to even all of your texture out. So that way when you are applying makeup, you've got an even canvas to work with. I feel like the two brands are very similar to one another, so I think this one might be a draw. It is a little bit bigger than what I received last year, but I don't think one is better than the other. It is really weird though how similar these products are year over year, like the fact that I'm getting a serum and a primer. I mean, it's just kind of surprising. Who knew? Next up, we have a palette from Ofra, and this is one of their Blossom Blush palettes. I do love getting blush palettes. I don't know why, but I mean, don't get me wrong, I love getting any palettes, but the blush ones are just so cute, and they do kind of get me in the mood for spring. You know, they're bright, they're fun. And with Ofra, it always makes them look like they have flowers, so it's so cute. I mean, these shades are gorgeous. Now, this one in the center here could definitely be a highlighter as well. It's got that gorgeous shimmer. So this one, oh, I love this. This is my favorite product so far, you guys. Like, this is perfect for me. Last up inside of our box then today is a product from Notu? This is a vegan and cruelty-free product. It is their deep serum, and it looks like it's made with plant-based ingredients once again. The very first ingredient is grapeseed oil, followed by rose hip. I mean, yeah, everything in here is all clean beauty products. There's coffee seed extracts, grapefruit, carrot, sunflower, rosemary. I mean, seriously, these are all natural ingredients in here, so I like that. So this is what it will look like here, 1 ounce or 30 ml. And it mentions that this one is going to be a serum that you can use all over your face and neck. It is going to also have a touch of a brightening effect as well. Interesting. And it's universally sexy. It says it right down there at the bottom. Well, I gotta tell you guys, this is the first time I've ever found a facial serum that is universally sexy. So those are officially the 5 items that I received inside of my January box for Boxycharm. If I compare this over last year's, I actually think this one is better than what I received a year ago. I like it a little bit better. That blush palette is super cute. I like that we got the eyeshadow palette as well. I mean, just comparing it, like I said, the primer I think is pretty even in there, but the serum brands, this new company, I know is more expensive than Sweet Chef. So overall, I think this is better. But now we're going to take a look at my Beauty Boost. Now this is an extra product that I do receive in my box. I do have to pay an additional $15 a month to receive a 6th item inside of this box. Now if you guys decide to sign up for the subscription, you don't have to do the Beauty Boost. This is an optional product that you can add on for that additional fee. So I received a skincare trio a year ago, but this year we received an eyeshadow palette. I know technically that trio last year was very expensive and it was like $100 and some for it, but this one, I don't know, there's something about it that's way more exciting. So this is the full-size Tarte palette, and we have the Man-Eater eyeshadow palette here. Now this is a cruelty-free and vegan company. I do love Tarte's products. They make some really good items, from mascaras to eyeshadows. I mean, they are a really decent brand. So this is what it will look like here when you take it out of the packaging. Good size palette. And then inside there will be a mirror, and then you're gonna see all of your shadows down below. Ooh, okay, let's try that again. Let me take that off. All right, here we go again, take two. And down below, you're gonna see all of your shadows here. Honestly, I gotta tell you, it looks better in person than it does on the packaging or even online. I mean, these shimmers are so vibrant. Look at how they just glow in this palette, especially this one. I mean, you guys, is that not gorgeous? So I love that you also see a little bit of texture on some of those shimmers as well. So beautiful. So yeah, I think this is a better beauty boost over last year as well. I can't help it. I just love the pretty things. Well, you know what, you guys? If I'm doing a versus battle here, I think 2025 won. I honestly think this box was better than what I received a year ago. So hallelujah, the extra $2 actually worked out in my favor. So you guys comment down below, what do you think? Did you like this year's box or last year's box better? And do you like comparing these? Is it not really your thing? You just let me know what your feedback is, because like I said, I might do this going forward for the rest of the year just to really keep tabs on whether or not things are better and improving. But again, if you're not into it, just comment down below and maybe we'll do something different. But if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I will have a link listed down below for you. It is a good time to consider signing up for this because the icon box is coming in February, and that box is always one of my favorites to go through. To me, this is the best box that Ipsy creates, is the icon box. Now that's a quarterly box, so if you want to get the February one, you do need to sign up ahead of time. That way you're enrolled to receive it. It does cost a little bit more. It's about $65 now to get that box, but you do get more products in it. I do feel like they're better brand names overall as well. So if you're interested, like I said, I've got that link down below. You have to purchase the Boxycharm box first and then upgrade to get that icon box in February. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!